All right, guys, Jay here, and I'm doing a quick follow-up to our experience with SCI trades or Trades by SCI. The only reason I'm doing this is before I shut down my Sway account, his copy trade program, it got a little bit worse, right? So now we were down to like $117 from the 250. 250 was their minimum. And I sort of got into a disagreement with the guy who introduced this program to me. Now, he's not part of our mastermind. I would consider him to be more of a trading cyber buddy, for the lack of a better term. And the good thing about being in a mastermind group should hold you accountable. So if you start your own mastermind, make sure that you have your principles on what you will tolerate and what you won't tolerate from your vendors, from your employees, from the people that you hire. And remember, our mindset is if I send you money, you're hired. That means you're an employee, not a guru anymore, but someone who needs to stick by the rules, the regulations of my company. And when I say my company, I don't care if it's a $100 company or a $100,000 company. So he asked me, why am I not continuing the journey? And I said, well, there was something that was questionable. And as soon as something doesn't seem right, I'm out of there. And it has nothing to do with the performance. The performance is down, but that happens. I'm not new to this game. I'm not new to this, guys. And I wanted to share with you where we are now and why we got out of this copy trade when we did. Okay. Okay, guys, this is his Telegram channel, one of his Telegram channels, because he has a few of them, at least two that I know of. So I don't want to exaggerate. But the channel he started with his copy trader, $250, and it really is just a PAMM account where you send money. Bottom line is, he said that he makes up to 30% a month. So if I put $1,000 in there, that's $300, and he splits that 50-50. So effectively, it would be 15% a month. Even if he was doing 10% a month on a consistent basis, remember our guidelines and our goals is we want anywhere between 5 to 20% a month, right? So that would fall into our parameter, especially if he's this good as he says he is. And again, everyone has a downtime. His course, the people who take his course, and the course is free. You can go to his YouTube page and his Discord channel and get access to that. And as a matter of fact, I think that I'm going to take the course because I've watched some videos here and there, and I said, okay, I can follow along this, and I like the way he teaches. But that's not as important as, are you performing? That's what we deal with. So we put our 250 in, and we were down, let's just say around 30%. Now this is what he said happened. Let me keep going. September 15th, and that's almost a month ago. He said, next week I will be full-time trading the Sway market account for the rest of the year. I will no longer be doing signals. Fine. It was basically free anyways. Plus, if you were taking my trades this way, to do the exact same but way more efficient. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for being patient through this whole process of building. It's been some up and downs the past few months getting into asset management, but we're finally here. Let's focus on monthly consistency and see you guys soon. 100 million in loading. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. All right, so the big thing that I got out of this was I will be trading full time at the Sway market account. I will be trading it. That's September 15th, right? And then right down here, October 11th, he finally communicates after going down that, hey man, we've experienced a 70% drawdown. I understand the disappointment. I will take full responsibility. Perfect. That's what you should do. But this is it. The decision to initiate trading with the EA trading bot did not yield the desired results. Therefore, I apologize for any inconvenience that it may have caused. However, I want to assure you that we are taking decisive steps to rectify the situation. I'm honored to announce Now, he announced this almost a month ago. I'm honored to announce that I am now actively trading the copy trader with a strong commitment to your investments. The only problem I have with that, as I told my cyber trading buddy, is that, okay, he did this a month ago, almost a month ago, not quite. He started trading it manually September 15th, according to him, not according to me. Let me show you. Okay, let's give him a benefit of the doubt here. This is September 15th. So let's just say he was down 32% September 13th. He said the next week he was going to start trading it manually. The next week would have been September 18th, 17th, 18th. Starting the trading week, he was down 30%, almost 31%. So with his manual trading, according to him, with his manual trading, the drawdown went up to 27%, negative 27%, and as of October 9th, 68%, almost 70% down, based on what he said he was what they call manual trading from September 18th. So something's fishy. Don't know what it is, but the communication, I have to give him an A for, no, I can't give him an A for that, for transparency, but at least he still had my FX book up and gave us a timeline that I don't know if he did this accidentally or not, or if he's just that honest and wants to be transparent. But my only problem is what happened. What happened between September 15th to October 12th, which is today. I think it is. Okay. Thank you.